for Smartens. I am Rajiv Dave. In this video, you can know about simple past tense. Let's study. Like present tense, the past tense is also divided into first simple past tense, second past continuous tense, third past perfect tense, fourth past perfect continuous tense. Let's first see the simple past tense. Read the following sentence. Jwalan played cricket yesterday. In above sentence, the verb played refers to the past time and is therefore said to be in the past tense. Let's see affirmative sentence structure of simple past tense. Subject plus verb in the past plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Khevna wrote a letter. Here, Khevna is subject, wrote is past tense form of verb write, a letter is an object. A sentence structure with to be form of past tense. Subject plus was or were plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Jwalant and Khevna were at home yesterday. It was Monday yesterday. I was a teacher. The simple past tense sentence with first person singular subject, I played cricket. A sentences with other verb forms like did, was, had. I did that work. I was a teacher. I had a car. First person plural. We played cricket. The sentences with other verb form like did, were, had. We did that work. We were students. We had a car. Second person singular sentences. You played cricket. Other verbs forms did, were, had. Second person plural. You played cricket. Other verb forms did, were, had. The simple past tense sentence with third person singular subject. He played cricket. She played cricket. It played cricket. Other verb forms did, was, had also can be used with third person singular subject. Third person plural. They played cricket. Other verb forms like did, were, had can be used with third person plural subject. So now you can get idea that to be form of verb of simple past tense are was and were, to have, had, to do form did. Formation of simple past tense for regular verbs. Present tense verb ask, in past tense asked. Present tense call, in past tense call. Present tense play, past tense played. Present tense push, past tense pushed. Present tense work, past tense verb. Present tense use, past tense used. There are many verbs like this. For irregular verbs, the simple past tense of some irregular verb looks exactly like root form, such as present tense forms put, past tense form put, present tense form cost, past tense form cost, present tense sat, past tense sat, present tense cut, past tense cut, present tense hit, past tense hit, etc. There are many verbs like this. For other irregular verbs such as present tense write, past tense form wrote, present tense form go, past tense form went, present tense form see, past tense form saw, present tense form say, past form said, present tense make, past tense made, etc. There are many verbs like this. Let's know more about simple past tense sentence. Past time expressions are usually used in simple past tense. For example, expressions of frequency, often, always, sometimes. Sentences: he sometimes played cricket on Sunday. She often took me garden. and expressions for a definite point in time: last week, yesterday, 2 months ago, when I was a child, 2 weeks ago. For example, I went to market last week. Yesterday she arrived in Vadodara. Negative sentence structure of simple past tense: subject plus did not plus root form of verb for regular and irregular verbs plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Jwalan did not play cricket. Did not is generally shortened as didn't. For example, Jwalan didn't play cricket. Sentence structure for to be form of verb of negative sentence of simple past tense: subject plus was or were plus not plus object plus rest of the sentence, or subject plus wasn't or weren't plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I was not cricketer or I wasn't cricketer. Negative sentence structure for to have: subject plus did plus not plus have plus object plus rest of the sentence, or subject plus had plus not plus any plus object plus rest of the sentence, or subject plus hadn't plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, I had a pen. Affirmative. I had not any pen. Negative. I hadn't any pen. Negative. The raincoat did not have a cap. Negative. Interrogative sentence structure of simple past tense: did plus subject plus root form of verb plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, did Jwalan play cricket? Sentence structure for to be form: was or were plus subject plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. Sentence structure for to have: had plus subject plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark, or we can write did plus subject plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, had you a pen or did you have a pen? Short forms: I had, I had, I had not, I hadn't. Now let's see WH questions of simple past tense. First, what? For information or thing. For example, what did you break? When? For information about time. For example, when did you get the prize? Third, whom? For information about person. For example, who brought the pen? Fourth, where? For the place. For example, where did you stay? Fifth, why? For information about reason or explanation. For example, why did you take my book yesterday? Sixth, how? For information about manner, the way to do. For example, how did you reach Delhi? Seventh, whom? To ask about people. For example, whom did you ask about me? 8. Which? To ask about choices. For example, which places did you visit last month? 9. Whose? To ask about possession. For example, whose book did you hide? 10. How many? To know the quantity of something. For example, how many pens did you buy? 11. How often? To know about the frequency of an event. For example, how often did you visit library? 12. How long? To know amount of time taken by something. For example, how long did you stay in Bombay? 13. How much? To know the price of something. For example, how much did you pay for pizza? Negative interrogative sentence structure of simple past tense: did plus subject plus not plus root form of verb plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. Did not generally shorten as didn't. Didn't plus subject plus root form of verb plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, did Jwalan not play cricket? Or didn't Jwalan play cricket? Please keep in mind following verb spelling rules. If the verb in present ends E, just add D. For example, thrive, thrived. Guzzle, guzzled. If the verb ends consonant plus Y, change the Y to an I and add ed. For example, try, tried. Fry, fried. Cry, cried. If the verb of one syllable ends consonant, vowel, consonant, double the final consonant and add ed. For example, chat, chatted, stop, stopped. Here the word syllable means a word or a part of a word which consists of a vowel sound is known as a syllable. If the final consonant is W, X or Y, don't double it, just add ed. For example, SEW, SEWED, PLAY, PLAYED, FIX, FIXED. If the last syllable of a longer verb is stressed and ends consonant, vowel, consonant, double the last consonant and add ed. For example, INCUR, INCURRED, PREFER, turns, PREFERRED. If the first syllable of a longer verb is stressed and the verb ends consonant, vowel, consonant, just add ed. For example, open turns in OPENED. Enter turns in ENTERED. Swallow turns in SWALLOWED. Uses of simple past tense. First, simple past tense is used to speak or write an action or event completed in past. Means an action or event started and finished at a specific time in the past. For example, I saw a tiger in the jungle last week. I received his email a month ago. Second, simple past tense is used to express a past habit. For example, every morning I went for a walk. Third, simple past tense is used to speak or write an action which occurred in a period of time in the past. For example, the father advised but the son fooled. Fourth, sometimes with simple past tense sentence, adverb of time is not used but the time may be either implied or indicated by the context. For example, I defeated her. Fifth, to describe several actions which were completed in the past, we can use simple past tense. For example, I finished the prayer, walked to home, and met my relatives.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for the notification of our next video of past continuous tense.